guys, thanks for watching. We're back out here on the lake again today. Came out here, did a little fishing, try to roost a little bird, and just so happened right over in there we've had one gobble about 4 or 5 times at the old owl hoot here. So I think he's still on the ground. He ain't went up to roost yet. We still got a little bit of time, but I'm gonna wait till he gets up in a tree and see if we can't pinpoint exactly where he's at, and try to come in here after him in the morning. Let's see if we can't get him to gobble back at us again. And there he was, still gobbling. So don't know if the camera picked that up or not, but he gobbled back at us. So guys and gals, we'll see you back here in the morning.
That's good.
Maybe. This is thick right here, though. I don't think anything's going to come through this.
Go to the right.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, go to the right. Yeah, we need to go to the right. And he's see his tail thinking first, probably. You see him? Oh yeah, I hear him. I hear him, I don't see him. I see him. Oh shit. Oh yeah, get him. There he is. Got him. Huh? No, you didn't. He's flopping. You flopping, dude. He is flopping.
God, I swear I seen him fly to the left.
No, he's flopping. Yeah, he's seen us. Oh, he's in a bad spot, dude.
Yeah.
Bad spot. I said we was in a bad spot, dude. That's what I'm talking about.
Got him.
Got him, son.
Let me go up there and get him.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, we was in a bad spot, dude. Awesome.
Yeah.
Fat Baby Custom Calls does it again, baby.
Yes, sir.
We was in a bad spot right there, though. He come up above us, but
I had to pull up on him.
yeah.
He pinned down.
Yeah.
I had to pull up on him.
I should have it on camera. It's gonna be close. I should have it though. Awesome, bud. That's what I'm talking about.
Step that head out and I said,
Yeah,
I'm
you
gonna let
did.
it roll right here.
Go ahead, go.
40 yards.
Oh yeah, every bit 40 yards.
Well, I don't know if I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna go this way. I think it'd be easier to go right here.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
I seen that head, boy.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Coming in silent, wasn't he?
Yeah.
I mean, he gobbled a couple times, but
Oh, he was looking.
oh yeah. Roosted is roasted today, buddy.
Jake.
Is it really?
Yeah.
You kidding me?
Nope.
With a gobble like that?
Yeah.
Holy smokes.
Jake with beard draw.
Oh.
No.
Is it Jake?
Is it
Really?
Jake? Yeah, he's trying to fail. They're coming to your left. Hard left.